Hello everyone, this is Anne Marie. These are the trading book results for the month of August. These are results from published trades every week. The silver and gold membership, we put out trades. The SPY and Ditto also platinum there. As I get more help, me being the one-man show back here, we'll be able to produce more of these results for you to see. But for many of you that follow these trades and take these trades, you know that they do extremely well. So let's take a look at the numbers. We can scrutinize these all we want and be happy about it, frankly. And so we can be. Gold membership just started back up. 12 winning gold segments. 0 losing segments with a win rate of 100%. Our biggest winner, 110.9% return. The average gold winner was about 40, almost 41%. No losers this month. That means our average loser was 0%, which is great. Let's take a look at those trades very quickly. We essentially had 6 positions and stair-stepped them down through the entire month. Right? So very, very interesting space. Some of these lasted for 7 days. Some of them lasted for 1 day. Some of them lasted for 4 days, right? We had several of these just come right into target immediately, which was very beautiful, particularly the Netflix one. It just fell like a stone. That's the great thing about trading with high betas. If you catch the right direction, they're going to do what you want them to do. FMC shows these small returns because we did this one in stock. We let the options get exercised and then let these go. So very nice. Actually, I chose to exercise those options, but we did the stock and it worked out very, very nicely. But still, a small percentage compared to what we get when we trade with these options. And so that's what we can see here for stock. And then this last one for options. This MHK was phenomenal. This chart actually went all the way down almost into the 118 level. So it hit almost all the targets. Frankly, we were out at the 120 level because our stop moved right back in. Please notice now that we have these alternate choices for short puts or short spreads, and that would give us either the credit spread for the call or the put. These were all longs. Notice we had 2 puts and 4 calls, so we had 2 shorts and 4 longs for the entire month. The segments are how we let them off at the same time, and so we want to treat each segment as an execution that was good or bad. That allows us to see, hey, listen, are we coming into target properly? Are we moving the stop down properly? What happens at the next level? It builds a great deal of structure in your trading mechanics, and it is certainly what it is that we do. All right, let's take a look at the silver segments. 19 winning segments, 6 losing segments. Win rate, 76%. That is about our average rate if the market is behaving properly and not being loopy on us. Our biggest winner, 137.50. Average winner, almost 40.5. Average loser, negative 27.3. Excuse me, average loser, negative 10.75. Biggest loser, negative 27.23. Now, do the math, folks. 76% win rate with a 40% average on the win versus 24% lose rate and a 10% loss, 11% average. That's going to make an account get much bigger. Very, very nice results for the silver. I am incredibly happy with this formation. We had a lot of trades in the silver chart. Notice, I mean a ton of them. This one, Chihu, bad timing here. You know, this thing's a monster, but we did do it correctly over here, and then we had it correctly over here once more. Long calls only gave us just a little bit there. But again, Bad timing here, even though it did give us a little bit of green, because certainly we know Chihu has been off to the races and we have been trading it since September started. But September trades, of course, are not sitting on here. Only the trades until the end of August and their results are the ones sitting here. Beautiful. You'll notice that we trade several of these time after time after time. It's when stocks move in cycles and they're doing very well. The one thing, if you are not getting the results from the silver membership like these are doing, and a lot of these are conditional entries that go off at their triggers, it could mean that you are perhaps managing more loosely than you should, or you are overthinking what it is that you need to do and you don't let it run into target. Or one thing we've had to do is expand our stop areas just a little bit more. When the market settles into a trend, this is exactly how we're going to get out. At the second target, we're going to raise the stop to break even. Right? Take your profit, cut position to half size, and then you can stair step it down through the next targets. As long as things continue to trend in that direction, you're in really good shape. For now, what we've had to do is expand the stop region just a little bit wider so that we do not get stopped out because it's moving very erratically. All right? So, of course, where you put the stop is discretionary for you. I'm just telling you what works for the system best. And if you want to follow that, then watch for these things changing. They're always going to be red. They'll tell you where to go, tell you what to do. If I don't have anything written here, you leave it here initially, and then you follow these directions right here, unless I've got something put there. And then this supersedes any of the other information. All right, a great month. Sorry it took me so long to give you the results. Just a lot of stuff going on here at the site. Next month, we'll also have the Ditto trade results. And hopefully we'll be able to have some SPY and then some Platinum. Platinum will not be as defined as this because it's just way too much data. We're going to say win, loss, success, fail. But you're going to see some great things sitting in those sheets. Listen, in the end, folks, I give you more data than you could possibly ever use altogether. The trick is, can you take what's there for you and absolutely follow it to the letter? If you can follow it to the letter, you're going to build good structure for yourself, and you're going to build good trading results for yourself. So if that's what you're driving after, then do it. And if you say, hey, listen, I want to learn how to do this, take the fast track. All right? It's as simple as that. Listen, folks, if you sign up for the fast track, you get the trading room for 3 months. That's like getting the training for free and still being there in the training room with everyone. It is a phenomenal deal. Take advantage of it so that you can build these things for yourself. Good luck trading next month. It's going to be very interesting.